guys? August 16th today, and we're back in the Menominee River, Niagara, Wisconsin.
Let's see what we'll find this time.
First lure. How's it going? Good. It's a great day to raft.
I told you how much I love Niagara. I've gotten so much stuff, it's ridiculous.
I don't know what that is.
Watch longer how I ended up with Christie's kayak, and I really filled it up for her.
This thing's about to tip over.
Her anchor fell off her rope, and I had to swim a quarter mile to go get it.
You found a bluey too.
This kayak was so full, I had no idea where to put this.
Oh wow.
Are you excited?
So we gotta stop.
Okay.
This is too full.
Okay.
Just swim back. Keep your hands to yourself, or just carry it with you.
Where's the anchor?
Up by your feet.
Thank you for going to get back to get it.
Yeah, no problem. We can't throw anything more in here. It's gonna tip over.
Yeah. I know, I get it. I'm in trouble.
Stay away from that tree. You're gonna tip it. Here's your anchor. You just gotta get up around this tree over here, okay? Be super careful. Remember, around that tree, honey. Got two little guys here. Yeah. Like, how would you not know the rope is off you?
Dad, I did, okay? It took a second for it to vanish, right?
Yeah, she just wanted to punish me again. What's up, guys? We're in Niagara, Wisconsin again, the Menominee River.
Huh? We got so much stuff, it's crazy.
Both the kayaks are full, and now we're gonna unload it, stage it up here.
I was lifting up rocks left and right, and I think I fed 10 bass crawfish.
Got everything laid out. You gotta see what we found today. In only a couple hours, we got all of these bottles right here, all intact. A lot of broken glass over here, a bucket, some clay pots, a chair, a bunch of metal in here, some cans, no trespassing sign right there, part of a reel right here. Someone must have got angry with their stove. What you got there?
Iron Mountain Men's Pool League second place team, 1988. Why weren't you more proud of yourselves? We're proud of you. Mames Bar. We have your trophy. I don't care about lures. Last time we were here, I found a big tackle box. This time, Ed found one, and then I found the smallest little tackle box.
With lures in it.
With lures in it, a bunch of jigs.
And you got an old rod right there.
Yeah.
And the reel, that thing is super old. Turn it a little bit. Wow, that is cool. Also, a lure stuck on this metal grate thing there.
Oh, and I found a CD player. I don't think we're gonna be able to listen to any jams with it though. Get down with our bad selves. I pulled my first tire out all by myself.
I'm proud of you. We were super excited to find a couple of these handled jars today.
This was a really exciting one. It says Barnett and Company Druggist. That's Neenah, Wisconsin. Coca-Cola, Rhinelander, Wisconsin. This is a neat guy. A Century of Progress, 1833 to 1933. We're gonna get these all cleaned up and on our website, edthediver.com.
Menominee River Brewing right there, Menominee, Michigan, and Tano Dill from Norway, Michigan. The O'Connell Brewing Company, got several of these today. Pepsi Cola, I believe this is International Brewing Company, Buffalo, New York. United Beverages, Menominee, Michigan. Soda water. Wham and Son from Appleton, Wisconsin. Several small bottles that are really neat looking. Even got a blue one there and several white ones. Here's a Christian Brothers, California.
Last time we made a video, somebody made a comment, actually multiple fans made comments about why do we always find right? No, it was left boots. Now, today we found 4 right boots. Huh. So there you have it. We're not, what's it called? We're not, no, we're not, you're not racist. You're not what?
Biased.
But yeah, we're not biased. We find left and right hoofers.
And this one actually had some burnt gloves in it, a pop can, and a rock tied shut holding it down.
And I sense that this one is really old. That's the one lefter. We probably found his brother last dive.
It was a fun dive. We just came out here to our normal spot. We started over here, went all the way down river around the corner, found a lot of stuff, came back up. We used 2 tanks of air, and actually we had something super special happen today.
I was super special, and I was holding onto my anchor underwater, and the rope came off, and my kayak went the other way. I swam like I was in the Olympics, but that didn't work, so Ed had to go back and get it.
I swam even harder like I was in the Olympics, and I actually got the kayak. Thanks to getting the kayak, I went to a different spot that we didn't go to, and I got about 60 bottles in about 5 minutes, so it's pretty cool.
Michael Phelps say what? He's the gold
Olympic
medalist. Michael Phelps say what? Now it's time to shower.
We had a really fun dive. Great time here in Niagara, Wisconsin again. Cannot wait to come back.
And I'm not gonna lie, I spent a lot of time turning over rocks to feed crawfish to bass. They're like my new pets. People ask us why we don't have pets. We do. They're just underwater.
If you're not a crawfish, you're safe from Christie. We hope you enjoyed our adventure today.